Hey guys, hit the drop down menu in any video for a direct link to our eBay store.
But first, I'm on my mobile phone, so I'm going to open up the desktop browser. This will allow me full search capabilities inside the eBay store. The categories are now listed on the left-hand side, and today's unit is a Can-Am ATV. Once opening the Can-Am menu, you can see the models listed: Can-Am 570 XMR. Feel free to browse and search the assemblies we have listed, or if you have a direct item number, part number, or an assembly you're looking for, type it into the search bar above. You can see here I searched a part number and it pulled up all the assemblies with the part number included. Check it out, guys. Thanks for your business.